So this is my part 2 Christmas decorate with me. If you have not watched my part 1, I will put that in the cards so that you guys can check that one out. But today I will be decorating the kids' rooms and the bathrooms. So I started off in the boys' room, and this is their little Christmas tree that I put up for them. I don't like to put a bigger one in here because they will grab the ornaments and probably take everything off of it. So I just get them a little one that they can place on this little counter. And here is my Izzy boy decorating and Luna just watching. So he is actually the one that really likes to decorate and help me decorate. He's very hands-on. And you'll see my older son Josh will pop in later in the video. But for the most part, little Luna and Izzy did most of the decorating. And on their beds, I used these pillows, these cute little Christmas tree pillows, and then just threw a throw blanket over their beds. Right now, I have their beds together because that's the only way Izzy will try to sleep in his room with his brother, is if their beds are literally right next to each other. So it's a struggle for me when I try to make their beds, but if that's what will help my little one sleep in his bed, then so be it. And then on the next place I decorated was this bookshelf that they have in their bedroom, and I just placed some little knickknacks on top and some of these little Christmas village houses and a little ho 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 sign with Santa. And then I placed a little nativity set on top of their dresser, and then some stockings, and just kind of made it more festive in there. Try to add as much as I can without making it too overwhelming for them where they just want to take everything down. Now moving on to Luna's room, started off by clearing off her dresser and kind of just organizing everything before I placed her little Christmas tree here. So originally I had placed her Christmas tree in the middle of the dresser, but then I ended up changing it towards the end of the dresser so that when you're coming down from the hallway you can see the Christmas tree. I just thought that it would be a cute little touch as you're walking down the hallway in our home. And then just decorated her tree and got everything cutesy for her. And then she has this little play teepee in her bedroom that she loves to play in. So I just added some fairy lights around it and thought that was really cute. And then just added this pink plaid blanket on her crib, and that is it for little Miss Luna's room. Now moving on to the boys' restroom. I didn't decorate too crazy in here, just added a sign, a little nutcracker, and some little knickknacks on this little shelf that they have in their bathroom. And then onto the main bathroom. I actually had such a hard time with these shelves. I don't know why. I honestly, I still don't. I'm not very happy with how it turned out, so I might end up switching it out. But for the home tour, I plan on making a Christmas home tour video. I'm sure it'll be different by then. So just kind of put together at the moment what I thought looked cute, but like I said, at the end, I still wasn't very too happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2 Christmas decorate with me. Be on the lookout this week for part 3, where I will be decorating my master bedroom. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.